Hi, this lot is 50 square meter. From here, this is the frontage of the property, and until here. So from here, it's a square lot. The front is already a cemented road. It is walking distance to Crystal A College. The land terrain is flat, so second to the corner lot. And this property is all less than 10 minutes drive to International Airport. So you can see the road is very wide. And the property is clean titled. Second lot from the corner. So this is the first lot, and this is the lot for sale, the 50 square meter. The frontage more or less 8 meters frontage. So if you have questions, you can contact me on Viber and WhatsApp at 639298903 442. Thank you very much.